orange belt kata for Jianshi the Jichu. So there's first I want to go over a couple things before we do it. When we're doing our kata, when we step behind ourselves, that's called a dancer step. So we'll be doing that at some point. It's stepping behind, stepping out. All right? Behind, out. We'll be doing the opposite way too. Behind, out. All right? Behind, out. Another thing we're going to be going over is a cup and saucer. Now, the cup and saucer is when I have my hands chambered. When my hands are chambered, my palms are facing the ceiling, and I'm making fists. That's a chamber. Now, when I'm doing a cup and saucer, what it is, I am putting my other hand over top of it. So it would almost like be palm and palm, but we're making fists. All right? So it might be a chamber into a cup and saucer, or the opposite, cup and saucer into a cup and saucer, or chamber into a cup and saucer. The only difference is with a cup and saucer, you have two hands on the one hip. All right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this piece by piece as opposed to going everything in one shot. All right? So the beginning is we're going to be in a horse. Horse stances, knees bent, back straight, chest out. Hands are going to be chambered. We're going to step back. From there, we're going to do a cross. Chamber our cross as we chop. All right? So our first move is cross, chop. All right? Second set of moves. Circle and grab. We're going to step back and pull back. Same side. Step back and pull back into a chamber. Then we're going to cover it up with a cup and saucer. All right? So the second set of moves is we just got doing the chop. Circle, grab, pull back, step back into a chamber, and cover it up with a cup and saucer. All right? From here, our third set of moves, we're going to do that aforementioned dancer. We're going to step behind ourselves and step out. All right? So we're here with our cup and saucer, step behind, step out. The next set of moves is we're going to do, from the cup and saucer, a back fist. We're going to chamber that hand. With the other hand, we're going to elbow and drop it into a cup and saucer. All right? So bringing it back is back fist, chamber, elbow, cup and saucer. All right? From there, what we're going to do is the top hand is going to be the bottom of a two-handed punch or a double punch. So you're just going to open this up, and this is going to punch over top. Punches. From here, the top hand is going to chamber down as we push with the bottom hand. So we're here, chamber as we push. All right? From there, we're going to take the hand that's chambered, our opposite hand, go on the outside of our arm, wipe it clean, and chamber. So it's push, wipe it clean, chamber, eye flick. All right? So for that whole set of moves, it's you're in your cup and saucer, you're spinning it out, punch, chamber with a push, wipe it off with a chamber, eye flick. And then from there, we go back into our horse stance chambered. That's going to set us up for the opposite side. Now, when we do the opposite side, everything, we're doing each move bilaterally. We're doing it both on the same side. So after we do that, it's going to be same thing. Have our hands chambered. We're going to step back, cross, and chop. Our first set of moves are cross, chop. Second set, circle and grab. We're going to step back, pull back, chamber, cup and saucer. All right, so we're up here. Just got done our first set of moves. Circle, grab, step back, pull back, cup and saucer. All right, next thing, dancer. We're going to step behind ourselves and step out. All right, So cup and saucer, we're going to step, step. From here, we're going to back fist, chamber, elbow, cup and saucer. All right. Cup and saucer's on this side. Back fist, chamber, elbow, chamber. From here, we're going to do that double punch. Same thing, the top hand kind of just opens up. Punches. Chamber the top hand as we push. Wipe it off as we chamber. Eye flick. All right. So we're over here. Cup and saucer. We're opening that up. Punch. Chamber. Push. Go in the outside chamber. Eye flick. And then you come back into your chamber again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of that together now. So every kata we start and end with a bow. So we bow, step out. We hit our triangle. It's a little tough to see. Triangle, you should be able to look through it. Then we bow. Step out in chamber. We're going to step back. Cross. Chop. Circle. Step. Pull. Cup and saucer. Dancer step. Step out. Back fist. Chamber. Elbow. Cup and saucer. From there, we open up our punches. Chamber as I push. Wipe off as I chamber. Eye flick. And then back to your horse stance with your both hands chambered. All right. From here, we're going to do the other side. So we step back, cross, chop, circle. We're going to step back, pull back, and cover it up. From there, dancer step. We're stepping out, back fist, chamber, elbow, cup and saucer. Now we're going to do the double punch. We open it up, punch, chamber as we push, wipe it off in chamber, eye flick, chamber, triangle, bow. So in regular motion without all the talking, it would look like this.